How to run multiple Roblox accounts at once on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to run multiple Roblox accounts at once on PC. Open Roblox in separate browsers and log in to different accounts. Now, install the Roblox app from the Microsoft Store and use it along the web version, a third-party tool that helps manage multiple accounts efficiently. You can find a guide on setting it up here. Running separate instances of Windows using software like VirtualBox can allow multiple Roblox sessions. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.